Okay, last piece from Europe. So here it is. This is the Kovotvar, fresh from the factory. And right here it had BSP, which is British Standard Pipe Threads, pipe size, something close to that. Unlike here in the US, we have NPT, National Pipe Threads. So I thought that was quite interesting. But it was quite surprising because BSP and NPT on 1/2 inch, they both are the same exact thread size and threads per inch. So that was quite interesting. So enough with me talking, and here we go. First test, solenoid. Second test, manual valve. Here we go.